Good morning. Today is September 25th. Can't believe this month's going to be over. Going fast. This is your host, Noor Ali. Right tools for right job. This one is going to be very interesting. And I'm going to go directly to the subject matter. The subject matter in this one is understanding, knowing YouTube technology. Why us technical folks like me, who's been in industry for many, many years, still sticking around with YouTube technology that covers a lot of vertical, horizontal, domain in space. So let's get into it. I'm going to do a brief introduction of YouTube technology in this video. I'm not going to cover a lot because then it's going to go on and on and on and on. I'm going to stick to the point. I'm going to talk about the main sections and items within the YouTube technology platform, application, however, whatever you want to call it. As an IT analyst, as an IT engineer, as a technician, however we want to look at that, right? So let's get into it. So as you can see, this is my channel, Right Tools for Right Job. I don't have that many subscribers yet. It's only 1,462. For that, I'm grateful. I am really grateful to all my subscribers, all my viewers, all my audiences out there, right, in this world. So we're going to look at these charts, right? These charts right there. Look, as these charts, it tells me where and how am I leading, okay? Then let's talk about this chart. So it deals with views, minutes watched, okay? And it gives me the percentage right there, okay? That is the most important thing to worry about, not worry about, to look at, okay, as you upload your content, okay? So if you go into the content world, it will give you all your videos, right? It will give you views over here. Where my cursor is, views. Let's see. See my cursor? So in the view section, it'll give you views, how many views every video has. Now, lately, I've been getting into the world of shorts, creating shorts under 60 seconds. And then the views increase to 240, 92, 14. Now, all my shorts are related to security, information technology, information systems, and applications, utilities, and diagnostic tools. And it covers, different tools cover different, like networking, IP scanning, Kali, VirtualBox, you name it, right? You just name it, it covers all that stuff, right? Now, as time allows, as time is given to me, the key thing for me is the analytics within YouTube. It's called channel analytics. Okay, my bad. So it gives you views right here. It gives you watch time. It gives you subscriber, and it gives you real-time update and how many subscribers I have and how many views I'm getting every day, right? Every day. Now, my aim, my goal, wallah, is to increase my, subscribers, right? That is an aim and that is a goal. So look over here as I scroll down. on my shorts, I see how many views I'm getting, right? As you can see, that is the nail biter. We call it nail biter, right? And believe me or not, if you stick to it, if you put your hard work to it, you will get somewhere. Okay, the aim is to not to quit. The aim is not to give up. Okay, giving up is not an option. Okay, keep doing it, whatever you're doing. Be creative, think smart, think hard. Okay, use the right tools. And if you watch my other videos, I talk about other tools, other technologies, right? Look, 28.9% is USA, 5% is Germany, 3.2% is United Kingdom, 2.7% is Russia, and 2.3% in Canada. Okay? And look, 99.6 or 996% is non-subscribed people watching my stuff. Hey, you guys out there, subscribe to my channel, okay? And then I got only 4% are my regular subscribers. Dude, ladies, gentlemen out there, please do us a favor. Do guys like me a favor who are trying to share knowledge, trying to share technology. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't watch it for free, man. Okay? Do us a favor, okay? Subscribe to the channel. It's simple, okay? Now, English, yes. Mostly people are is English. That's excellent. Most people are male, and then you have female, and then 3%. Here is the age group, okay? Here's all the age group, okay? Now, if you click more, here, it's going to take you into graph. It breaks down everything. Breaks down everything you need to learn, you need to know about analytics. That's right, we're pronouncing analytics, okay? It will come handy as time go by, as you mature, as you become better at this technology, all right? I am going to cover this much only today because I do not want to make my video long at all. Let's see. There's nothing in here. Usually you learn things from other people. So let's go back to audience. And there we are. Okay, so I'm going to end my video over here, and I hope those of you are listening to me. Please subscribe to the channel so I can share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. You like it, subscribe it. You like it, subscribe it. Don't watch it for free. It's no fun. Subscribe it. Cool? Thank you. Bye.